Good day, investors. How to read your company earnings and dividend spreadsheet that will be sent to you on a weekly basis. Now, this spreadsheet is very important for CFD traders because it will actually announce to you, for example, March 2015 company earnings, the 2nd of March, companies to release data or earnings will be, example, Santam and Bitvest. Now you need to know the difference here. Santam is giving a full year report, so that's the last year report of this specific company. That will have a huge impact on the market, on the share price, if this data is good or bad, in a positive or negative way. The same with Bitvest. Bitvest will bring out the interim results, so that's the first 6 months of reports coming out. Now the importance of this information is you do not want to sit in a share and purchase it today if it's going to announce an earnings report in the next 2 or 3 days, because that could have an impact on your trade on the specific share. So always, before you want to actually enter into a share, always just make sure for no fundamental data coming out and having a big impact on your share price, make sure that the share is not announcing any data that's due in the following weeks before you physically trade it long or short on the market. Now, as you can see here, again, 17th of March, Clover, it's an interim result, so that's just the first 6 months result. But full year reports normally got bigger, greater impact. Example, African Bank Investments on the 31st of March, full year report, that will have a huge impact on the movement of the specific share as well. Looking at the dividend payments, now dividend payments also will have an impact. Now, how to read this is actually very simple. Example, you will see on the 2nd of March, a declaration will come out. So what happened here? Let's go through this. Goldfields on the 12th of February 2015 announced that they will have a dividend payment. Now, to qualify for this dividend, everything happens on the 2nd of March. So if you want to qualify for a dividend by trading the specific share, you need to purchase it before the 2nd of March 2015. And you need to hold it until the 9th of March to qualify for a 20-cent dividend. Now let's go to another one that will pay out soon. Let's go to example Kumba. The 10th of February, it announced it will pay a dividend, and to qualify for this ex-dividend, you need to go from the 9th of March. Before that date, you need to purchase the share physically, hold it in a long position until the 16th of March, and that will be the ex-dividend payment date, and then you can qualify for a R7.73 dividend per share that you've got in your portfolio. So do yourself the favor, go through this list, identify when data will come out on earnings or dividends to protect your trades. Enjoy your trading.